Bhu Kanta Bina Nahi Rasera Ullas. So for this regard, Yogamaya she manifests, Srimati Radhika she manifests many forms. आनंद चिन्मय रस प्रतिभावी स्तार्भर एवं निज रूप तया कलाभी. Srimati Radhika she manifests many forms also. Lalita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Chitra, Champakalata, even all the Manjaris, actual they are not non-different from Srimati Radhika. Actually, this is called the Tattva Vichar. But Rasa Vichar, then you will see the one form is there. Lalita Devi, she is called Srimati Radhika's Lalit mood. That is called Lalita Devi. Visakha, Srimati Radhika's special mood. That is called Visakha Devi. Rupa Manjari, Srimati Radhika, she herself her one form. That is called Rupa Manjari. Rati Manjari. In the same way, all the Sakhis, they are called non-different Srimati Radhika. Now coming in this way, but without rival, the prem would be not, and what is called? Increase. One girl, she told, I first in my class. That time her mother asked, how many students in your class? Only one. You are first or last. Same or not? You understand this joke? Very simple joke. So that means you are first or last. This is nothing. So in the same way, Yogamaya arranged this way. Yogamaya thinking who will be rival with Srimati Radhika. And actual Srimati Radhika is unique and unparalleled. This is true. Lalita, Visakha, Ashtasakhi, they will almost same mood of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Srimati Radhika, she is Madanaka Mahabhav. And Lalita, Visakha, they arrange, they attain how to stage and the Mohan Bhav, not Madanaka Mahabhav. So that means Lalita, Visakha, they can rival of Srimati Radhika, but they don't want to rival with Srimati Radhika. So who will do? That time Yogamaya, okay, Chandravali, you take this part. No choice. Chandravali says, okay, I'll take this. What will do this? So this way, coming in this way. So for the Toiro Uvarur Madhye Radhika Sarvadhika. Toiro Uvarur Madhye, between Srimati Radhika and Chandravali, Srimati Radhika, she is Sarvadhika. Sarvadhika means she is highest. They are saying this way. Actually, Yogamaya she arranged. Chandravali cannot also जो what is called राधा जी के साथ कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं, compete नहीं कर सकते हैं. श्रीमती Chandravali cannot compete with Srimati Radhika. But Yogamaya is thinking, who will do this? Otherwise, just I told this joke. Understand? So for this regard, Yogamaya she arranged this way. Or this Chandravali actually also see also the expansion of Srimati Radhika. This is the Tattva Siddhanta this way. While our Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are not giving so much intense to Chandravali. Understand? This is the, our Goswamis, Gaudiya Vaishnava, they give intense to Srimati Radhika. So far, Radhika Jyot, Radhika, all these in this way. There are two Jyots also. Jyot means group. Chandravali's group and Radhika's group. Chandravali's group also there. That is called Padma, Saibba. They are called Chandravali's group. But we are not giving so much intense about Chandravali's group. This is the thing. Our Gaudiya Vaishnava, they one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And especially our Gaudiya Vaishnavas, their mode is called Manjari Bhav. Manjari Bhav means is what? Radha Nishtha. They are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika, three kinds of also Sakhis again. One is called Radha Nishtha Sakhi, that is called Manjaris. One is called Ubhay Nishtha Sakhis. Ubhay means they love both Radha and Krishna. That is called Lalita, Visakha, Ashtasakhi. They are called also Ubhay Nishtha. Ubhay means both. But they also intends to Srimati Radhika. Or another Sakhi that is called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. Who are they? Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanishta. They are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi. Because these things also, Sakhis, this part is divided in the three according to their Nishtha. Nishtha understands steadiness. So Radha Nishtha, that is called Manjari Bhav. Or another is called Ubhay Nishtha, that is called Lalita Visakha Pranapishta Sakhis. Or Krishna Nishtha, that is called Brinda, Brindarika, Dhanishta. But all they also, their aim and object how to serve to Srimati Radhika. This is also. Also Lalita, Visakha, their aim and object how to glorify always Srimati Radhika. Even what is his name? Krishna Nishtha Sakhis, Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanishta. They also love and affection with Srimati Radhika. And in our Bhajan Rasha Grantha, Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained, and Ashtakali Leela is there also. You read in Bhajan Rasa Grantha or not? You read. Gurudev many times he gave Bhajan Rasa Grantha. Many times he gave the Leela Katha in Bhajan Rasa Grantha. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, very nice. This Grantha. And every chapter Bhakti Vinod Thakur also quoted one verse from Govinda Lilamrit. Ashtakalini Leela is there. Ashtakalini Leela understand? And other thing understand, Ashtakalini Leela must understand. Understand this way? This thing. Or the first Leela is called Nishanta Leela. Nishanta Leela, Pratakalini Leela. And in this way. And 8 divided the day and night. So Ashtakali Leela is this there. But when you do qualified, then you remember the Ashtakali Leela. Now don't do this. Just can read, okay. Bhajan Rasa Grantha, read and read. But don't try to Leela Smaran. Understand this? So Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained the first, that is called Nishanta Leela, the end of night. Dekhiya Urunodai, Brinda Devi Basta Hoy, Kunje Nana Rava Karailo, Sukhasari Padda Suni, Ute Radha Nilamani, Sokhigan Dekhi Basta Hoilo. And Bengali song is there, very nice, beautiful. Sanskrit slok also is there. Govinda Lilamriti also mentioned this way. And how Sukh and Sari, they also, what is called, make, jagate hai, make, wake up this way. This is very nice, beautiful, this Leela is called. That is called Nishanta Leela. The end of night. This is very important also. But who is doing this? Whose bhumika, whose role of the Nishanta Leela? Mainly Brinda Devi. Though Brinda Devi, she is called the Sakhis of Krishna Paksha Sakhi, already I told. But Brinda Devi is her bhumika, her role is there also. Main role. What are you saying?
Main role of Brinda Devi is to arrange Nishanta Leela.
Nishanta Leela. What do you say? Nishanta Leela. Brinda Devi's first bhumika is there. দেখিয়া অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল সুখ সারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি সখীগণ দেখি কালোচিত সুলোচিত কক্ষটির রবিভৃত রাধাকৃষ্ণ সতৃষ্ণ হইয়া নিজ নিজ গৃহে গেলা নিভৃতি শয়ন কইলা দুহে স্মরে সেই লীলা স্মরণ এই লীলা স্মরণ গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম অচিরাতে কৃষ্ণ প্রেম পাবে প্রেম ধন Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave blessing. You also remember this. Or for this regard we are singing early in the morning. What you are doing? Mangala Arti coming. Nishanta Lila. Mangala Sri Guru Gaura Mangala Murati Mangala Sri Radha Krishna Yugala Piriti Mangala Nisanta Lila Mangala Udaye Mangala Aroti Jage Bhakata Hridaye. Very nice. In this Mangalarti we are saying this Nishanta Lila. No Chandrabuli bhumika here. No. There are no role of Chandrabuli. Understand? Look, this very nice. Calm and quiet. Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest. Very nice, beautiful one. Kunja. I like one. What is it called? Blue sapphire. Or Srimati Radhika sees as like molten gold sapphire. Now both they are effulgence of the body also are mixed. And that kunja completely illuminated. Blue and golden complex. Very nice, beautiful this katha is there also. How is it? They are sleeping there. Because last night they did hard work. What the work? Singing, dancing. Singing, dancing is hard work or not? And you are playing mridanga. Hard work or not? This your hand, arm, shoulder will be sore. And your finger will be also as like burn, you know. Those who are playing mridanga. But he is very clever playing mridanga. He does not want to play mridanga. He is very clever. But who is playing? You. See, both. Mridanga player is very hard work actually. Understand? 10-15 kilos this also. How many kilos this? 10-15 kilos and in shoulder. Hands so play, dancing, this is hard work. No? For the Lord said, so for the saying this, Kirtanyar Parishram Jane Gaura Rai. Only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he knows what kinds of fatigueness coming. Do Nam Sankirtan, playing mridanga, dancing, singing. For the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is merciful. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and distant Prasad, Mahaprabhu they first give Prasad to Kirtanya. Because they hard work. She is not eating Prasad, so she becomes very skinny. Already playing mridanga. If you not do Prasad, how will become this skinny? खिलाते हो कि नहीं खिलाते हो? रोज खिलाना पड़ता है चम्मच से ना हाथ से So just I was explaining. What is your question?
Is Srimati Radhika sometimes talking with Chandravali, or is she never talking with Chandravali?
Ani, of course. Sit. Yeah, of course, need to. They are not the, you cannot see in this material world they are the envious, he is my enemy, so I will not talk with him. This is not. Their love and affection is always there. But those who are manjaris, they are very little bit. They don't like Chandravali. So this song is saying, what is it called? Jejana sejana bhaje amit radhikar pakkhapatit sada nahi heri take. What is this? Vishabhanusutta Charan Sevane. Sing this. What is it? Vishabhanusutta. No, it is called. Vishabhanusutta.
To serve the lotus feet of the daughter of
Are first read the Bengali word.
Rishabhanusutta
Charana
Charana
Sevane.
Hoivo Jepalya Dasi Shiradara Sukha Satata Sadane Rahibo Ami Prayasi.
Jejana sejana bhaje Radha Paksha Chhadi
Se Jana Se Jana Je Bhava Se Bhave Take Amito Radhika Paksha Pati Sada Kabunahi Heriya Take.
Take there. Here, what is the meaning there? Kabhu nahi heri take. Here, this is the Manjari's mode.
Let anyone aside from Radha's party be as they are. I am indeed always partial to Srimati Radhika and never look upon those who are not.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Understand? Very simple. Manjari, they don't like Chandravali. Even Chandravali is any Sakhi will come, they go. They don't like. Because they maybe they disturb. So far this understand? But Radha and Chandravali, as we know, they are not doing this as the envious and jealous. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri. So when you will go Golok Vrindavan, then you will ask to Srimati. Your question very sweet. Very nice question. Sometimes they have phone or not. There is no phone. They are only, they are called messengeri there. They are messenger. Dutika, this is coming there. In transcendental world, they communicate each other. This is called Duti Prakriya. Understand? Before going there, they also give Sakhi, they will in the, what is called? In Leela, Bhauma Leela, Prakat Leela, and all the Sakhi, they will give the perfect training to you. And 5 types of subjects you have to learn, training in there. Very expert. How many subjects? 5. First kya? Karna karinang saganam vijanena duti prakriya. Karna karnikaram. How to speak? Karna karning. Whispering to each other. We are speaking loudly, no? They are speaking very softly. Only karna karning, meaning only they listen each others in their ears. The third one not listen. Only 2 Sakhis speaking this. Karna karning, they will give these types of training to you. Not so easy to go to Golok Vrindavan and to become the Manjari of Srimati Radhika. First, absolutely also trained. Karna karnika. Vijanena dutistuti prakriya. When Radha and Krishna they did man but anything and how to glorify to each others. This is their duty also. Manjari is many these types of service. And in front of Krishna, in front of Krishna, then they glorified our Srimati Radhika. Or in front of Srimati Radhika, they glorified about Krishna. This is that thing. Duti stuti prakriya, glorify. Because when you glorify, then your so much attachment will come. If you listen some on glorification, then automatically your mind will be what? Attract. So in the same way, duti stuti prakriya. This is the training to you. Karna karinang sasanang vijanana duti stuti prakriya. Or third, what is called? To no, husband is last.
Lord, the superiors.
And or some badhirata. That means when your superiors, as a mother-in-law, father-in-law, or any your superiors giving nice instruction to you, hey, you follow this rule, this rule. And that time just they also acting the role of dumb. Dumb, understand? Dumb. Just they also. Yes.
Nice instruction.
Very
nice instruction.
Understand? Very nice instruction. They are saying, hey, you are chaste lady, you are married girl, so should not go, night time go anywhere. Very nice. That time yes. Yes. Badhirata. Or fourth, that is called
To listen the flute.
no. Fourth, that is called how to cheat the. That is very important. How the husband. Okay, this is not. Do they listen more? And fifth, always your ears will be open. When the sound of flute will come, nisamma geetam tadananga vardhanam brajastriyo. When Krishna's sound of flute coming, Govinda Venudhani, then Gopi they also ran way towards Krishna. Balavindavan. These types of training giving in this. Understand? This is the process also. This is a little bit high level if you tell to. So no need. Just to listen. You read this my book. What is it called? Jewels of the Heart. Nice look either. Learn everything, but should not imitate. Understand? Very carefully. Otherwise, Sahajya. So, Gaur Premanandi. Or another question?
I have one question, Gurudev. About your book, Sapta Sindhu Gunavati, Shri Radha.
You reading or no?
Yes.
How many chapters did you read?
I read half of it.
Half.
I still have to read the other chapter.
Huh?
I still have to read the other chapters. But about the second chapter, my question was, on what base are the qualities of Srimati Radhika compared to a specific ocean? For example, why is the pure water is Lavanya Sindhu and not the ocean of salt?
Lavanya Sindhu. No, which, what is the book? Could you bring?
No, Vaidagdha Sindhu is compared to pure water. But why is Vaidagdha Sindhu compared to pure water and not to milk or something else?
Why not compare with it? Vaidagdha means is what? Humor. Laughing and joking. That is called humor. First, your mind would be saras. Your mind would be simple. No hypocrisy and no duplicity. Then you will be laughing and joking. If your mind so many kinds of distress and unhappiness, you cannot laugh and joke. Ramchandra cannot laugh and joke. Very rare. Because he has many responsibilities. And he is called also Marjada Purushottam. But Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. First I understand about Krishna. Then same thing coming Srimati Radhika this. Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Dhir Lalita Nayak means he has no any responsibilities. And as like young boy, young girl, what is the responsibility? Nothing. Eating, sleeping, playing, going to the school, college and return back. But who will pay the bills? This is dependent on their parents. You understand? आप पे करते हो कि नहीं करते हो? नहीं करते, नहीं करती. अच्छा चलो, इधर सब गवर्नमेंट करता है. But in India, that's the parents, they are doing many things. And you are lucky. India, and the parents, they are doing this. And even if you become the, what is called, ICS, or these things, that is, their parents also paying so much money. Qualification you will not need this. You cannot imagine. And 1 crore rupees they are saying also. So that's why I was saying in this way. And so now coming in this way, Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Dhir Lalita Nayak means who has no any responsibilities. कोई दायित्व नहीं. And eating, sleeping, playing, मस्ती में रहते हैं. मस्ती समझते हैं? Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. So Dhir Lalita Nayak, this Dhir Lalita Nayak, one qualification, that is called Vidagdhata. Laughing at you. Mind is very fresh. Nischintata, there is no any responsibility, no chinta. Chinta means, you understand? So you have no dispute, no duty and responsibility, no chinta, no. So the mind is very fresh that time. So for this regard, here, this also, Srimati Radhika also same things also. She has no responsibility, nothing. She is very sweet. आपके बेटी की क्या चिंता है? You have any anxiousness or no? Nothing. Nice girl. So for this regard, as these things also compared with pure water, that is called Shuddha Jal. This book also explain compared with 7 ocean.
But why is it compared with pure water and not something else?
I told you, pure water means they are mixed, not anything. If you are thirsty, what water do you want to drink? Pure water, Shuddha Jal. If you are very thirsty, do you want drink pure water? Understand? This is the Shuddha Jal, Nirmal Pavitra Jal. So for this regard, this example has given in this way. This example given, who is giving? Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. Vaidagdha Sindhu. Understand this? Or salty water giving which one? Hridikali Sindhu. That's very important. Chalo. Read this book. Everywhere this mention is there also. Why give the compare with Dadi Samudra or the milks, everything. I think all these also there. Read or not? Read this thing. Why this Dadi Samudra? Dadi mane? Yogurt. Jogat, the ocean of Jogat, they compared with Srimati Radhika's Vatsalya Sindhu. Given this way. If you take the Jogat, Jogat also cold. Understand this way. They compared with Srimati Radhika's Vatsalya Bhav. So much sweetness, mood is coming in this way. Cooling. This everything also mentioned is there. You read or not? So, if you are saying why not this, so then another person, why not this? Why not that? Why not that? Why did you give me first drink water? The another will say, why not? The another person will go give me. Some rules will be done. Why the UK, they also drive the left hand side? Why they drive the car left hand side? Are you are living in? So ask the government, why not you driving the car? Right. Then your father become very tired or not? Oh my God. 4 hours driving left hand side.
When he goes back to Holland, he'll be confused.
So you cannot, the rules is rules. Why these rules? Some rules has given. And left side or right side. So in the same way. Prabhupada Saraswati Pada explained this way. I am not giving explanation this. Gaur Premanand. Or anybody?
Can I ask a question?
What is it?
My question is also from your Grantha Sapta Sindhu Purnavati. And my question is, what's actually the difference between the Ikshu Samudra of the Rupa Sindhu and the Sur Samudra from the Lavanya Sindhu? Because you explained that both are very intoxicant to Shri Krishna and to all the living beings. But what is then exactly the difference between those?
Which one?
The Ikshu Samudra from her Rupa Sindhu and Sura Samudra from her Lavanya Sindhu.
Sura means is what? That is called alcohol. If you drink alcohol, then so much intoxication will come. Madhamadadi Yauvane Pramodamana Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalavilasa Pandite Ananadhanna Kunja Rajya Kama Keli Kovide Kadakari Sasyamang Kripakataksha Bhajanam. I also mentioned these slokas also there. This is intoxication coming. This is the nature. Here compare Srimati Radhika's youthfulness, everything, and have to intoxicate. This is the nature of this material world. And in the same way, but in transcendental world, that intoxication of their youthfulness, that is spontaneous. And they are neat and clean also there. In this material world, that is what? After a few years, your youthfulness finish. When you become old, then your youthfulness also finish. But in the transcendental world, there is your everything is your Chirajauvanancham. Advaitam Achuto Anadi Ananta Rupam. Adya Purana Purusam Navajauvanancha. Here they use the word Navajauvanancha. Navajauvanancha means ever fresh youthfulness. Same or Srimati Radhika there. This is also means and indicate to Srimati Krishna. Govinda Adi Krishna. In the same way Srimati Radhika is also. Srimati Radhika she is also always ever fresh youthfulness. Have you seen the picture of Srimati Radhika become old? No. Always very nice, beautiful, youthful form. Nanda Maharaj or maybe Vishwanu Maharaj, their body or old age look like this. Beard, this. But Krishna, Srimati Radhika, they are always Navajauvanancha. So this for this example is giving in this way. Intoxication, this kind. This is spontaneous nature. Because Lord performs all his lila as a human being, Naravat lila. And this Naravat Lila, understand? Not the human being Lila, there is so much sweetness coming, madhurjata coming. Yeah? And Krishna jate khela sarvottam nara lila nara bupu tahar sarup gopavesh venukar navakishor natavar nara lilar hoy anurup. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Sanatan, listen. Krishna performs many lila, many incarnations, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha and other incarnations. But topmost is beautiful form that is called human being lila, nara lila. Or in the human being nara lila, human being lila, that topmost lila that is called Krishna lila. Ramchandra lila also human being lila. And other incarnation is there also. But Krishna lila is called unique and unparalleled. Yeah, these are. Because Krishna lila is topmost. Sweetness lila coming in there also. Madhurya is coming there. Actual Krishna, all the incarnation they manifested from Krishna. Krishna is called, what is called? Are Sarva Avatari, source of all incarnation. This is one is called Avatar and is called Avatari. Sanskrit word. Avatar means incarnation. Or Avatar means source of all incarnation. Krishna is not Avatar. Krishna is called Avatari. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, her form is origin form, and she manifests in three forms also. And in Vaikuntha Lakshmi, in Dwaraka, Mahishis, queens, or in Braj, gopis. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this way. Srimati Radhika, she manifests in three forms also. Three her, and what is called expansion. And Vaikunthe Lakshmigan, or Dwaraka Mahisigan, or Braje Gopigan. So this way. But Srimati Radhika is origin. Vishwananandini Srimati Radharani. So in this way, we also discuss these things also. Understand? So Navajon share the very nice, beautiful form. So much effulgence coming in the body when the, what is called, Jovan coming. Jovan means youthfulness coming. So for the Srimati Radhika's three types of birth compared with different ways. And Srimati Radhika, three types of birth compared with Srimati Radhika, three effulgence of our body. Pratah Snan, then I will explain in everything there. Understand? This book is very high level. And if you read, very nice. All the essence of Chaitanya is there. Pratah Snan, and early in the morning, taking bath. Then Madhyana Snan, Madhyana means midday, taking bath. Then taking bath in evening, Sankalin Snan, Trisandha. Understand? We are also chanting Gayatri Mantra. How many times? 3 times. Sometimes you are chanting only 2 times. Morning twice and evening 1. But here saying Trisandha. And as the rules is there, Trisandha. These are things also. So that is why they compare with Ballo, Koisor and Joivan. You understand this? They compare. Everything in my books is there. So much hard work, thinking, taking, collect from the different books, different what is called evidence. Not so easy to manipulate. Collect many things also. And Chaitanya Charitamritam, and different books, different everything is there. So this is the what is saying? Rupa. Rupa is compared with Ikshu Samudra. Ikshu means the sugar cane juice. Sugar cane juice very taste. and sweet also. Especially when we are very hot and summertime. And then you can drink sugar cane juice. And then all your fatigueness will go away. Balavrindavan Vihari. And if you drink the sugar cane juice, so much effulgence coming out from your body also. You drink it or not? Sometimes. But here is no hot, so how to drink? But India, very hot. Understand? Now, if you go India, you can see there are people also buying and selling sugar cane juice. Fresh sugar cane juice. But I don't like. You like or no?
I like it.
Okay, sometimes. Coconut water, okay. So for this, compare everything is there. Balavrindavan Vihari. And so this book also explain about Anulom and Pratilom. Describe everything there. Very nice. Balavrindavan Vihari. Now 8:30, no? Take prasad, then go to your tent destination. Nice. Good or not?
You explained something yesterday after the class.
After class?
After class, Didi asked one question, but only a small group was listening. Maybe you could just summarize what the question was and what your answer.
Sandhini, Sambit and Radhini Sat. No. First I will explain the Sadhan Bhakti. Sadhan Bhakti means, Sadhan Bhakti definition is giving Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sasadana Vida, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakatang Hridi Saddhati. Here in this Sanskrit verse you bring Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sasadana Vida. One who practices devotional service to Lord, first is that is called Sadhana Bhakti. Sadhana Bhakti, two functions. What is the two function of Sadhana Bhakti? Who knows? Sadhana Bhakti, what they are doing? Cleaning the all kinds of anarthas, anartha nibhuti. As like sometimes given exile, as like washing machine. Sadhana Bhakti is just to compare with the washing machine. Washing, cleaning this way. And spinning. And sometimes spinning opposite. And then vomiting all the dirty water. You have seen or not?
Yes.
In the same way, Sadhana Bhakti is first function, how to clean all the unwanted things from the heart of the sadhaka. This is the first function. Then second function is that when our heart will be neat and clean, anartha nivritti, and adu shraddha tato sadhu sangha bhajana kriya anartha nivritti, then nishtha ruchi asakti. So now comes shraddha to asakti, all the stages are called sadhana bhakti. So sadhana bhakti first function by activity, that is how to clean the anarthas from the heart of the sadhaka. Chitta ka nirmal karo. Lust, anger, investment, stupidness, rascal, everything is in your heart. Understand? Sometimes we are singing the Bengali Hindi song also. मैल लागी तन में धोए जल से और मैल लागी मन में धोई कैसे? Understand? No. What do you say?
मैल लागे
तन में.
से तो धोए जल से. So if there's dirt on the body, we wash with water, and then मैल लागे मन से. So the dirt in the heart, how shall we clean?
How will clean? हैं? राम नाम के साबुन से धोए मन से. है? So how to clean your heart? Ram Nam Sabun, the soap of Ram Nam. So saying Ram Nam के साबुन से धोए मन को. है? This is the process. है? Then Ram Nam की चित्त दर्पण. Then you can see your own reflection. You can see your own reflection as the clean heart. As your heart is as like mirror. So Mahaprabhu is saying same thing. Chetu darpanam marjanam bhavamaha davanirvapanam Sreya kairava chandrika vitaranam Vidya vadhu jivanam Anandam buddhi vardhanam Pratipadam mane every stage Pratipadam Purnamrita asadanam Sarvatma snapanam Param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtan. Good enough? Huh? Very nice, beautiful day. So, now coming the sadhana bhakti's first function, how to clean our heart. Or second, when our heart will neat and clean, as like crystal. So that time on the platform of Sandhini existence. Actually this Sandhini Shakti is coming from Baladev Prabhu. Akhanda Guru Tattva Baladev Prabhu. Understand? Heart will neat and clean. Then Sandhini Shakti will come. On the platform of Sandhini. Existence. Then coming in the Sambit and Hladini will come. Sambit means there is a transcendental knowledge, Chid Gyan will come. And simultaneously Hladini Ananda or Srimati Radhika is the embodiment of Hladini Shakti. Krishna he is called the presiding deity of Sambit Gyan. Or Srimati Radhika she is called the presiding deity of Hladini Anand. So this is the process also. So Kriti Saddha Bhavit Sadhana Vidha Nitya Siddhasva Bhavasva. Nitya Siddha, those who are the eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. They are on the sprinkle of mood. Then coming in our that is called sadhana bhakti is coming. So Shuddha Satta Visheshatma Prema Sajja Sujang Sambhavako Ruchi Vichitta Smarsina Kridasu Bhava Uchyate. Then coming Bhav Bhakti. This is the process also. Bhav Bhakti is coming that time. Then heart will be neat and clean. Then there is the mood, one the special mood will come. So Shuddha Satta Visheshatma. First your heart should be Shuddha Satta. But before understand about Shuddha Satta, you have to learn what is called Visuddha Shuddha Satta, Shuddha Satta, Visuddha Shuddha Satta, Mishra Satta, many things you have to learn. It is very complicated. Tattva Siddhanta is there. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. Everything you cannot digest one day. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Jai, chalo. I should learn Shuddha Satta. Shuddha Satta किसको कहता है? विशुद्ध सत्य किसको कहा जाता है? पहले तो फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मीनिंग द सत्य. सत्य किसको कहा जाता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सत्य? है? This is very complicated, not so easy to understand. But you read or you listen carefully, then understand. Understand? This is the process. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Listen.